Hi Ayush, welcome to All Things Movies. Thank you for coming on my channel, and I'm very happy to be reviewing a movie with you today. So, we'll be speaking about the movie Mulk from 2018. But let's start with your introduction first.
Yep, so I'm Ayush. I'm from Jamshedpur, but I'm staying in Mumbai right now. And I'm a big movie buff. And I'm on all possible online platforms, whether it's Z5, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix, MX Player as well. And I love watching plays. So, yeah, that's a bit about me. And that's how my interest in movies came. And that's why I'm part of this show.
That's great. I think that is what unites some of us, right? We love movies, we love content so much. And I think we love talking about content.
Exactly.
So, just building on that, obviously, Rishi Kapoor passed away recently. And one thing that I noticed was, regardless of the generation that people came from, everybody seemed to be affected by him. And for me personally, obviously, I grew up knowing that, he was a huge heartthrob,
Yep.
and my mother was a huge fan of Rishi Kapoor. But recently, his body of work had been so good, and he had been so relevant in new age movies that I felt that nostalgia being taken away from me as well.
I mean, from a romantic hero to a character actor. I mean, his journey has been incredible. I'm really a big fan of the second phase of his career because the character roles that he did, right from Rolf Lala in Agnipath to Kapoor and Sons, and what we have seen of him in Mulk. So it's been incredible, and yeah, I'm a big fan.
So moving on to Mulk.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आ रही है कि एक बस में धमाका हुआ और ये एक आतंकवादी हमला है।
घर पे पुलिस पहुंच गई है तुम्हारे। वो लोग रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तुमसे बात कराने को।
क्या हो गया तुम्हें शाहिद?
खैर आ जाओ बेटा।
अभी नहीं आ सकेंगे हम लड़ाई पर निकले हैं अपने मजहब के लिए। खुदा हाफिज।
अरेस्ट करें, करीब 2 घंटे में कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करेंगे।
आप कौन?
मैं इनकी लॉयर हूँ।
बिलाल और इस फैमिली ने एक बच्चे को शहादत के लिए तैयार किया, उसे आतंकवादियों से मिलवाया। इनका पूरा परिवार ही इस आतंकवादी साजिश का हिस्सा है।
ऑब्जेक्शन माय लॉर्ड, अभी तक कोई भी चार्जेस प्रूव नहीं हुए हैं।
घर है मेरा, क्या कहूँगा मैं अपने आप से कि मैं देशद्रोही हूँ? हम केस यहीं लड़ेंगे।
ये धर्म के नाम पर निर्दोष लोगों की हत्या करते हैं और बाद में कहते हैं कि हर मुसलमान ऐसा नहीं होता। तो फिर कौन कौन कैसा है ये कौन बताएगा?
देखिए है आपके घर की दीवार पाकिस्तानी लिखा है वहाँ।
पाकिस्तानी लिखेंगे ना? अगर कुछ घर आज भी पाकिस्तान के जीतने पर पटाखे बजाएंगे तो
इनके समाज में बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा हैं, तो परिवार के किसी एकाध सदस्य को जिहाद के काम पे लगा दिया जाता है। भाईजान को इससे निकाल ले।
अब प्यार साबित कैसे किया जाता है? प्यार करके ही ना। तुम साबित करो मेरा प्यार मेरे मुल्क के लिए, वरना मैं बहस हार जाऊंगा।
बहस हम नहीं हारेंगे। एक आम देश प्रेमी कैसे फर्क करेगा दाढ़ी वाले अली मोहम्मद में और दाढ़ी वाले उस टेररिस्ट में? कैसे साबित करेंगे आप कि आप एक अच्छे मुसलमान हैं? क्या ये बात सच नहीं है कि आप उसको गिरफ्तार कर सकते थे?
स्ट्रांगली ऑब्जेक्ट योर ऑनर।
यस और नो ऑफिसर?
ऑब्जेक्शन योर ऑनर।
मेरे घर में मेरा स्वागत करने का हक उन्हें किसने दिया? ये मेरा भी उतना ही घर है जितना कि आपका। और अगर आप मेरी दाढ़ी और ओसामा बिन लादेन की दाढ़ी में फर्क नहीं कर पा रहे तो भी मुझे हक है मेरी सुन्नत निभाने का।
Obviously, just for knowledge, Mulk is a 2018 movie made by Anubhav Sinha, and it is in the backdrop of how Muslims overall are perceived and what they have to go through, and they use terrorism as a tool to do that. It is sort of a courtroom drama, and therefore very powerful speeches in the movie by both Rishi Kapoor, Ashutosh Rana, and of course Taapsee Pannu. Any nuances that you found really, stick out?
I really look up to Anubhav Sinha for the kind of movies he's doing right now. I mean, he was the one who directed Das. He was the one who directed Ravan. And now he's come out with Article 15 and Thappad. These both the movies are so impactful, and they had he had cast the right characters in both the movies. One with Ayushmann Khurrana and other one with Taapsee Pannu. And the second thing which I want to highlight about his movies is the choice of cast. Again, as you rightly said, Manush Baba played the role of his brother. He was brilliant in what he did. And then we have Ashutosh Rana, who is quite pivotal in the movies that he's done so far. He's been a great negative character for the Hindi film industry. And then you also see Rajat Kapoor playing a small part, which is small but yet impactful. So yes, a perfect cast, I must say.
Neena Gupta also so good, and I think this was the time when Neena Gupta had not made a comeback, so to say, but what happened after. I liked Mulk. So to talk about the message that it gave out, I think it was very strong, and I think it stirred me at some level to say this happens. Whether or not terrorism is the right backdrop to show it, I don't know. Maybe it's too strong a backdrop to give out a message like this. But it's definitely something that people need to understand and talk about.
See, I really enjoy watching the courtroom dramas. And the quality of good courtroom drama is that you get so engrossed. You get so engrossed in the exchange of words that's happening that you feel that you're there in the court. And you can feel the energy over there. You can empathize with the characters. So that was the quality which I saw in this movie. And that's why it's one of the best courtroom dramas that I've seen in the recent past.
I really don't know. I've never been in a court. So I don't know कि सच में in the court ऐसा कुछ होता है कि नहीं, where people basically get up and start quoting big heavy मुहावरे.
एक मुल्क कागज पे नक्शों की लकीरों से नहीं बढ़ता सर, मुल्क बढ़ता है रंग से, भाषा से, धर्म से, जात से.
Exactly. Yeah, हम और वो की कहानी जो इन्होंने शुरू कर दी थी. That's again a big debatable thing in this movie. That's one of the most important dialogues in the movie.
It is exactly, and so the style of the courtroom drama was obviously very impressive. You start with something that really hits a chord. You start with language that is heavy and makes people begin thinking. And then you move on to the facts. So I found that to be really, really impressive. I like the fact that they gave everyone a chance. So Ashutosh Rana obviously was there throughout. Rishi Kapoor had his chance initially when he started fighting the case, and then Taapsee Pannu's performance was just so powerful.
It was impactful, yeah. And you remember the scene wherein Rishi Kapoor requests Taapsee Pannu to fight his case, and she wanted to do it, and she wanted to do it for the family. And even after her parents stopped her from doing that, she went ahead and supported the family, and that came out really well.
I really like the part, and I think they did not highlight it enough. The body of the son who was the terrorist in the movie comes back. The family does not accept that body because they condemn what he has done so strongly. I think that part could have been played out a lot more in the court, because I don't think Taapsee Pannu even mentions it. She never says that. They have nothing to do with it. They did not accept. They did not create a martyr out of him. They basically said, "Isko le jao, hame nahi chahiye. Ye hamara beta nahi hai." And I think that didn't come out, even though many other very strong arguments did come out.
I think adding to what you said, apart from the powerful dialogue that we are talking about, the one thing which was quite shocking, and which even the character played by Rishi Kapoor did not expect, is when Taapsee asked whether he's a good Muslim or not, whether he's a good representative of his religion or not. And he was quite baffled to hear that question coming from her. And he very innocently told that I have done everything right in my life to be called a right representative of my religion. And towards the end of his monologue, he says that who has given the authority to others to question why he is there in this country. जिसमें उसने कहा कि मेरे मुल्क में मुझे स्वागत करने का हक किसी और को दिया गया है. So that was again a powerful line said by Rishi Kapoor.
So this whole concept of what is a good Muslim and why should that be questioned? I mean, the country is no authority to ask that question. And what he has done for the community around him is evident to everyone. So
Yes.
why should this then, come up again and again? And the part around the prejudice was so nicely played out by everyone, including Rajat Kapoor, who you mentioned before. I think Rajat Kapoor's dilemma was so evident because he used to hear what they would talk about in their private sessions,
Exactly.
and that
I knew.
changed his point of view.
Yeah. So he knew the truth, right? He knew that the family was innocent. He knew that the father didn't know anything about what his son was doing. So that was the striking part. And at the end, that's the reason. That's the reason why Rajat Kapoor supported at the end. When Taapsee Pannu confronted him with all the questions about whether he shot their son just to prove a point and just to be accepted in the society that he can kill the terrorists at one go. So I think that was very powerful. Adding to that, I feel that if you have seen any of the interviews of Anubhav Sinha, and the passion with which he speaks is quite relevant it's quite evident in the movie, and that's something which is shared by the cast and crew of Mulk.
I loved it. I think overall it was emotionally there, it was factually there, and it had a good intention. I'm pretty sure there are people who can find flaws in, why was the courtroom drama the way it was? Why were there so many emotions in a place where it should be all objective? But it was so well done. And how can we forget the judge, Kumud Mishra? It's so good. My God.
You see him in every movie. I was watching one movie one day by Anupam Kher on Amazon Prime. He played the role of a cop, and he was good in that as well.
And he basically summed up the movie at the end when he gives his verdict out to say, मैं ये बता सकता हूँ आपको कि know what your children are doing. Be aware, because by not doing so, you're doing a disservice, and it could be something as big as this. But also to the other side, to Ashutosh Rana, don't be prejudiced. Don't bring religion into a matter where it does not stand. So he was just so balanced, and throughout the movie, I didn't feel which way he was swaying, because I felt like he was taking Ashutosh Rana's side in many things. जहाँ पे ये लोग ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहे थे, ऋषि कपूर एंड तापसी पन्नू, he would be like सच तो बोल रहे हैं, ये तो फैक्ट बोल रहे हैं. So he was very, I think, balanced throughout. So I think I want to end with one question. Of course, we're talking about Rishi Kapoor and how well he did in this movie. But had it not been Rishi Kapoor, who else do you think could have played the role of Mr. Ali as he did in this movie?
I couldn't think of anyone immediately, but if you ask me to share one name, that would be Anupam Kher, because Anupam Kher has the same passion, right? And he's a theater artist, and the way he's acted in the movies in the past is something which I can relate to, and he fits very well in the character of Rishi Kapoor in this movie. Who would you choose?
Nasruddin Shah.
Nasruddin Shah.
Yeah. Because again, I think similar reasons to you. They are theatre actors. I think they are able to emote and be very eloquent at the same time, because you need that for something like this. It was a great movie, and I'll miss Rishi Kapoor, but I'm glad that he's left some of these gems for us to watch and rewatch, because I think after every few years, I can pick this movie up and watch it. Definitely. I do hope that the message that the movie gives is no longer needed, but I don't know how soon that will happen.
I just wanted to say that one thing which Anubhav Sinha could have done was made this movie much earlier. When he was making movies like Das, he could have explored this and made this movie at that point of time. It would have had a positive impact on the society.
Great.
Thank you so much.
To us about Mulk, and we look forward to more such great movies from Anubhav Sinha.
Yep, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.